new owner of this car is gonna absolutely love it. I just know it. I just know it. That exhaust, man. Darren Pfister, give me an exhaust for the 991. So yes, I have made the decision to sell my 997. In fact, it's getting picked up today. It's going to be picked up by a truck and driven to its new owner, or plural new owners in California, and it's done. So the truck is going to be coming to pick up the car in the next couple of minutes, and I've got to say, I'm getting emotional. And maybe silly because it's just a car, but you know, I've put a lot of work into it, and I know it's the right decision for me. And I was like this when I gave away my 996 and drove away with the 997, which I absolutely loved. But you know, you put that time and effort into a car, I guess I've developed a bond with it, and I'm definitely going to miss it. So yeah, I'm choking up a little bit here. You know, it is what it is, I guess. Now, I'm still planning on making 997 to 991 comparison videos. That's still super interesting. I'm going to be doing that. But yeah, I think, you know, I've spent the entire weekend basically not being able to sleep, pondering over this decision. And, you know, after driving the 991 the other day, that really nice white Carrera 4, it just got me thinking, and you know, maybe I got bitten by the bug. Some of you have said on YouTube that you know, when you were watching that video, I'd made my decision already, and honestly, I hadn't made the decision. But the more and more I thought about it, the more I just think it's the right time. You know, I've got somebody interested in the car. Actually, I had several people interested in buying the 997. It ultimately went to a guy who runs a dealership in California who wanted the car, and you know, presumably he's going to sell it onto someone else, but he was really, really keen to get a hold of the car, and like I say, I got a good deal. My 991, which is my new car, is coming from the same dealership, and that's going to get delivered later in the week. But you know, there's nothing wrong with 997, and frankly, I don't think there's anything wrong with the 991. I just want a different driving experience, for one, having driven this for a couple of years now. And again, in my last video, I said that when I came back from the tail of the dragon, I felt like I'd reached a milestone. And I think that was the case. You know, I'd spent the best part of a couple of years, or at least the best part of a year, doing all the modifications, making all the refinements, and I loved that process. Learning how to take the bumpers off, you know, learning how to disassemble the deck lid, and ended up having to get someone to install it for me. But just learning about the car and the brakes and swapping the wheels out and powder coating, I've learned so much in the past year. It's been awesome. And I'm going to apply some of that to my new 911. But yeah, I want a different 911 driving experience. I really like the idea of, you know, the sort of the more modern interior, you know, interior feel, but it's just different. The 997 is an awesome driving experience. The 991 is going to be an awesome driving experience. So it's just time for something new. And also it's time for a new challenge. You know, I'm not going to go crazy with the new car and I'm probably not going to do as many refinements and changes to the 991 that I've made to this 997, but I've got a few in mind, and I'll be talking about that later. So, you know, it's done. I'm gonna miss being able to hashtag 997 Brotherhood. I'm gonna start hashtagging 991 Brotherhood, but actually it's 911. It's hashtag 911 Brotherhood. So, and sisterhood, and everything hood. So, you know, I'm just gonna give the 911 a great send off today, and be very thankful for the couple of years I've had driving it and changing it and just having all the fun I've had. And then I look forward to the next chapter and the next adventure, which is the 991. So watch this space. More content coming soon, very soon, on the 991. But for now, let's give the 997 a good drive. my God, I still love this car. Hang on. Just got to enjoy every moment I can in this car before it goes.